Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Gracel Calumay Kinao, Filipino. I am 28 years old. My religion is Roman Catholic. I have married. I have 2 children. My husband is working as a farm worker. I have 8 brothers and 1 sister. I am the 6th in the family. I am college graduate. About my work experience, I work as domestic helper in the Philippines for 2 years. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes, marketing, gardening, and car washing. I also know how to cook Filipino dishes like chicken and pork adobo, sinigang, and tinola. I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese dishes and to speak basic Mandarin language. I love taking care of baby by giving them a milk on time, change the diaper if necessary, give them medicine and vitamins by the doctor's prescription, and I love them as my own child. Ma'am, sir, I am honest, patient, hardworking, and responsible person. Ma'am, sir, please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise to do my duties very well, and I promise that I finish my 2 years contract with you. Xie xie.